This video, we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy F55 5G smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy F55 5G is a mid-range smartphone that combines stylish design with modern features. This smartphone offers a vegan leather finish, a vibrant display, and a versatile camera system, catering to users who seek both aesthetics and performance. Now we will see the product features. This smartphone has a vegan leather finish with a unique saddle stitch pattern which provides a premium and comfortable feel. This smartphone comes with 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Plus display with 120 Hz refresh rate and 1000 nits brightness, which ensure clear and smooth visuals. This smartphone powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, which offers a smooth multitasking and gaming experience. This smartphone rear camera system is triple camera setup, which includes a 50 MP main sensor with optical image stabilization for sharper photos and videos, and 8 MP ultra-wide lens for capturing wider scenes, and 2 MP macro lens for close-up shots. The front-facing camera is high-resolution 50 MP sensor designed for excellent selfies. This smartphone can record UHD 4K videos. This smartphone comes with 5000 mAh battery supporting 45-watt fast charging, which allows for quick power-ups. This smartphone runs on Android 14 operating system with One UI 6.1, which provides a user-friendly interface and customization options. Samsung also promises multiple years of Android updates and multiple years of security updates. This smartphone supports 5G for fast network speeds as well as 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and this smartphone has USB Type-C port. This smartphone includes stereo speaker setup for better audio and in-display fingerprint sensor for secure unlocking and SmartThings support for connecting with other Samsung smart devices, and it also features knock security for enhanced data protection. This smartphone comes with 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM, and this smartphone comes with 128 GB or 256 GB of internal storage and expandable via micro SD card. Display resolution is 1080 into 2400 pixels. Here you can see the dimensions, and weight is 180 grams. What are the key advantages of this smartphone? First point is stunning display. The Super AMOLED Plus display with 120 Hz refresh rate offers vibrant colors and smooth visuals. Second point is good performance. The Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor provides a good balance of power and efficiency for daily task and gaming. Third point is excellent selfie camera. The 50 MP front camera captures detailed and clear selfies. Fourth point is versatile rear camera with OIS. The 50 MP main camera with OIS helps in taking sharp photos and stable videos. Fifth point is fast charging. The 45-watt super fast charging allows for quick battery top-ups. Now we will see some more additional advantages. First point is large battery. The 5000 mAh battery offers good battery life. Next point is future-proof software. Promised Android updates and security patches ensure the phone stays up to date. Next point is stereo speakers. Enhance the multimedia experience. Next point is expandable storage. Option to increase storage via micro SD card. Next point is 5G connectivity. Ready for the latest generation of mobile networks. Next point is stylish design. Often features a sleek and attractive design. What are the limitations of this smartphone? First point is pre-installed apps. This smartphone comes with several pre-installed applications which may not be useful for all the users. Second point is charger not included. The 45-watt charger needs to be purchased separately. Third point is hybrid SIM slot. The micro SD card slot is often a hybrid slot. meaning you have to choose between a secondary SIM card or expandable storage. Fourth point is may lack some premium features. As a mid-range phone, it might miss out some high-end features like wireless charging or a telephoto camera. What are the customers' positive feedbacks? First point is smooth display. Users appreciate the fluid scrolling and vibrant colors of 120 Hz Super AMOLED Plus display. Second point is good performance for the price. Many users find the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor to be capable for everyday use and even some gaming. Third point is excellent front camera. The 50 MP selfie camera is often praised for its clarity and detail. Fourth point is decent battery life. The 5000 mAh battery generally lasts a full day for most users. Fifth point is fast charging. The 45-watt charging is seen as a convenient feature. Sixth point is stylish look and feel. The design of the phone is often considered attractive. In India, the price of the smartphone starting from 16,496 rupees for 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage variant. In US, the price of the smartphone is approximately $220.